Okay, first question in the exercise 2.2 is find the value of the polynomial. The given polynomial is 4x square minus 5x plus 3 at, okay, take the first case, that is x is equals to 0. X is equals to 0. How should we find the given value of the polynomial at the particular value of x? So just write given polynomial. What is the given polynomial? P of x is 4x square minus 5x plus 3, isn't it? Okay. We have to replace x by 0. So P of 0 is equals to 4 into, in place of x, what should we write, children? We have to write 0. So this is the substitution. 5 into 0 plus 3. So 4 into 0 square is 0 minus 5 into 0 plus 3. So 4 into 0 becomes 0 minus 0 plus 3. So the answer is 3. So P of 0 is 3. So the value of the polynomial 4x square minus 5x plus 3 is 3. Okay, let us find the polynomial, this polynomial at another value, that is x is equals to minus 1. At x is equals to minus 1. Write the given polynomial, children. What is the given polynomial here? P of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus 3. So what should we substitute now? The given value of x is minus 1. So let us substitute minus 1 in place of x. So P of minus 1 is equals to minus 1 whole square minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So here in place of x we have written minus 1, and here also minus 5 into x, so minus 5 into minus 1 plus 3. So minus 1 whole square becomes plus 1. Here also minus into minus plus 5 into 1, 5 plus 3. So all are positive. So P of minus 1 becomes 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 3, 9. So the value of P of minus 1 is 9, children. So in this way we have to find out the polynomial at given value. The second question in the exercise 2.2 is find P of 0, P of 1 and P of 2 for each of the following polynomials. What is the polynomial given here? P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So what should we find first? We should find P of 0. P of 0. So write the given polynomial once. P of x is equals to x square minus x plus 1. So we should find the value of P of 0. Means in the whole expression we have to substitute 0 in place of x. So by replacing x with 0, x square becomes 0 square, x becomes 0 plus 1, isn't it? So 0 square will be 0, 0 minus 0 plus 1. So here P of 0 will become 1. P of 0 will become 1. Okay, now let us find the P of 1. P of 1. So for that, just write down P of x, the given expression, x square minus x plus 1. So just find out the P of 1 now. So now what should we do, children? In the same way, here we substituted 0 in place of x. Further, we should substitute 1 in place of x. So here 1 square minus 1 plus 1. So in the whole expression, we have substituted 1 in place of x. So 1 square becomes 1 minus 1 plus 1. So here 2 minus 1, answer will be 1. So value of P of 1 is equals to 1. So now we found P of 0 and also P of 1. Now we should find P of 2. P of 2. Let us find P of 2. P of 2. So now in place of x, what should we substitute, children? We should substitute 2. 2 square minus 2 plus 1. 2 square is? 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. Minus 2 plus 1. There are two positive values, 4 and 1. And one negative value also, 2. 4 plus 1 is 5. Minus 2. The answer is 3. So P of 2, the value of the given polynomial at x is equals to 2 is 3. Understood, children? So in this way we should find out the given polynomials. Now let us take another expression, P of z is equals to z cube in the same problem. Z cube. Now we have to find the value of P of z at all the three cases, that is z is equals to 0, z is equals to 1, z is equals to 2. So first let us find out the P of 0. For that we have to write the expression P of z is equals to z cube. What is the given expression? P of z is equals to z cube. Let us write. Let us replace z by 0, means we are substituting 0 in place of z. So 0 to the power of 3, 0 to the power of 3, that becomes 0. So P of 0 is a 0. Okay, now let us find P of 1. Write the given expression, P of z is equals to z cube. Now what should we find, children? P of 1. P of 1. What should we substitute? 1 in place of z. So 1 cube. So P of 1 becomes 1 cube will be 1. So this is the value of the polynomial at z is equals to 1. Now let us find the value of P of z at z is equals to, which value we have to take now? We have to take z is equals to 2. So P of 2 is equals to 2 cube. So 2 cube. P of 2 is equals to 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2. That is P of 2 is equals to 8. So the value of P of z at z is equals to 2 is 8. So in this way we should find the values of the given polynomials by substituting the given values. Let us take another example. P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. T plus 1. So take the first case, P of 0. Let us write the given expression once again, t minus 1 into t plus 1. So P of 0 becomes, in place of t, what we have to substitute, children, now? We have to substitute 0. Why? Because we are finding the value of P of 0. So 0 minus 1 into 0 plus 1. Here, in the first bracket, it is minus 1. 0 minus 1 is minus 1. And in the second bracket, it is plus 1. So this is the symbol for multiplication here. So minus into plus becomes plus. 1 into 1, 1. So P of 0 here is 1. Now let us take the second case, that is P of 1. Write the expression once again. P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. So now what we are going to find out? We are going to find out P of 1. So what we should do now, children? We should substitute 1 in place of t. So here 1 minus 1 into 1 plus 1. So 1 minus 1 becomes 0. And here in the second bracket 1 plus 1 becomes 2. But here after multiplication 0 into 2 becomes 0. So P of 1 is equals to 0. Just now we discussed that 0 of the polynomial. Here what is the 0 of this polynomial is? Here we got 0 of the polynomial, that is 1. Now let us find out P of t is equals to t minus 1 into t plus 1. What is the third case? P of 2. So what should we do now? We should substitute the value of a given polynomial at t is equals to 2. We should substitute the value 2 in place of t. P of 2 is equals to 2 minus 1 into 2 plus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. So 1 into 3 becomes 3. So P of 2 is equals to 3. So in all the three cases, in the first case P of 0, we got the answer, the value of the given polynomial as 1. And in the second case, the value of the given polynomial as 0. And in the third case, the value of the given polynomial is 3. So in this way, we should find out the values of the given polynomial.